Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to allow affiliate commission only on first order per customer. First, go to the Affiliate Press Settings page. Now, open the Commissions tab. Scroll down to the bottom, enable the Commission Only on First Order Per Customer option, and then click the Save button. The changes have been saved successfully. Now, go to the Affiliates page. This is the Manage Affiliates page. Here you can see all the registered affiliate users. Now, copy the referral link of this affiliate user and purchase a product using that link. This is the contact information page. Fill in the required details, choose your payment method, and click on the Place Order button. The order has been placed successfully. Now, go to the backend commission page. Here, you can see that the first commission record has been added. Now, go back to the front end and purchase the product again using the same user. Your details are already filled in, so just click the Place Order button. The order has been placed successfully. Now, go to the backend commission page and refresh it. As you can see, no new record has been added. Now, go to the Affiliate Press Settings page. Open the Debug Log tab. This is the Affiliate Press Debug Log page. From here, you can view, download, or delete logs. Now, click on the View button. Here you can see the first log entry. It clearly states that the commission was not created because the Commission Only on First Order Per Customer setting is enabled.